In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 2 p.m. At 12:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Auburn Gresham to Dothan to near Maumee, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include south side of Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Roseland, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Munster, Dothan, Park Forest, Homewood, Cedar Lake, Cedar, Lowell, Chatham, and Auburn Gresham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.